Senior Airman Jaeminlee Ramirez, a Security Forces Armor for the 99 Security Forces Squadron. So I applied for the Armory to broaden my knowledge of the career field and see how a different section was run and just gain more knowledge off of that. When I got in here, I learned more about weapons that I didn't know. My accountability got a lot better. I learned different forms and paperwork, and I got to interact with a lot more people than I would have. Here at the Armory, we conduct inventory, $2.4 million worth of guns and ammunition. I arm and de-arm flight members to go out with their M9 and M4 radios, batons, and just make sure that everyone has the proper equipment that they need. So the shifts are 24-hour operations. There's always somebody here to replace anything that needs to be replaced. Every security forces member that has a weapon, has any sort of equipment, it all starts here. We hand them out, we maintain, we take accountability, we give them to at the beginning of the shift, and we have to maintain accountability when they turn them in at the end of the shift.
Thank you.
There's a lot that goes into it, and as a team back here, we try our best to maintain everything, make sure everything is operational, and go from there.
Proceed. Safe, clear. Thank you.
So we have hundreds of weapons that come through, thousands of rounds, and a lot of associated equipment that come through in and out of the window and touch our hands every day, and we have to account for it at the beginning of shift, we have to account for it at the end of shift, and even account for it while it's out there. We get notified if something fails or they need new equipment, and when they come back, it's ready for them to go.